Today we're going to be taking a look at the FreeScan UE Pro, a metrology-grade scanner by Shining 3D. Like the FreeScan Combo, the UE Pro offers 3 different laser modes, 13 pairs of diagonally crossed lines for 26 multi-line global scanning, 7 parallel lines for fine detail scanning, and 1 single line for gathering deep hole data. The UE Pro is capable of capturing up to 20 microns of accuracy. The UE Pro also has a 3.2 megapixel camera, allowing you to capture super accurate data, and a built-in photogrammetry module. In addition to being able to scan reflective and black surfaces, it can also scan, thanks to its photogrammetry module, extremely large surfaces. We're talking airplanes, we're talking boats. The photogrammetry module allows you to lock the object's global coordinates in place, allowing you to maintain better volumetric accuracy. Keep in mind that photogrammetry does require 6mm markers. If you're not using photogrammetry, you can take advantage of both 6mm and 3mm markers. In addition to photogrammetry and the laser modes that we already mentioned, you can also scan in high-speed mode, but the accuracy of your scans won't be quite as good as when you're scanning at a slower speed. Despite being quite a bit larger than the Combo, it only weighs 840 grams. Like other FreeScan scanners, the UE Pro is extremely fast, scanning at 1,850,000 points per second, and boasting a scan depth of 170mm to 680mm, as well as a scan range of 600mm by 550mm. To start off with, we're going to scan the sandwich maker. I've got this black felt cloth that's covered in tracking markers, as well as some scanner helpers that I'll be using instead of affixing tracking markers to the object itself. So let's jump into scanning. So just like with the FreeScan Combo, in 26 multi-line laser mode, it's immediately just picking up the entire object. This is so super fast, it's crazy. But it's so good. Definitely a game changer. Okay, let's go ahead and stop. Now at this juncture, I could just pause my scan, clean up what I want to clean up, and then continue. I'm going to go ahead and create project groups because I really like using the cutting plane. Also, in case I mess up in one of my future scans, I will have the project groups from my previous scans already saved, so I won't have to worry about rescanning the entire object. So let's go ahead and create a cutting plane, use marker mode. I only need to select 3 markers. Cool. So now I'm just going to clean up some of this excess data. Shift click. I think that's it. So super fast. Go ahead and apply that edit, and now I'll turn this towards me. Markers should be good right there. Cool. So now I'll go over to my project list, create another project, go over to scan settings, switch from scan markers to scan mesh. I'm still in my 26 multi-line scan mode. I'll stay there. It's a good place to be. All right, and let's go in. I think that's good for now. Come over here, you can see that it did a really good job. Come back to my project list, create one more project. I go ahead and just scan the whole thing and try to pick up this area as well so that we have a full and complete object. All right, let's get started. Pause it. Yeah, it looks really good. All right, now we'll go ahead and align everything. Project 1 for the fixed window, project 2 for the floated window. All right, it worked splendidly. Let's hit next. And the result of previous alignment will be in the fixed window. For the floated window, we'll go ahead and stick in project 3. Let's hit apply and see if it works. All right, awesome. And there we go. Got our cooker. Let's go ahead and mesh the object. This is pretty much just ready to go. You could take this into a 3D rendering package and render it out, or take it further with retopology. Here with the Hamilton Beach logo, you'd probably be able to use that as a normal map or industrial applications. This is definitely good enough for reverse engineering. You've got all of the details here. The FreeScan UE Pro did an excellent job. As always, thanks for watching. We hope that you liked this video. If you did, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions at all, drop us an email at info@umax.com or leave us a comment in the comment section below. If you'd like to take a look at what we have available on our website, the address is umax.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.